Today we're going to fix a loose floor tile. So here in front of my fireplace, I have older tiles, but this tile is loose and I have to repair it. My wife was vacuuming and her foot stuck to this tile. That's how we figured it was loose. I'm going to show you how to fix this loose floor tile cheaply. You don't have to call anybody in to fix your tiles. And we're going to be using my secret weapon for this fix. First thing we're going to do is lift the tile out. We're going to take a look underneath. This tile's in good shape. There's no mortar stuck to the bottom of the tile. This mortar here we're not going to touch. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to get a vacuum and we're going to clean up any dust and dirt, anything that's in here, any loose material. So my secret weapon is the PL Construction Adhesive. This stuff is amazing for doing small repairs around your home. I don't know where you live. Let's say you live in downtown New York. Maybe there isn't like a Home Depot or Lowe's there. I know nothing about downtown New York. But you can order this online. I'll leave links below this video where you can buy the PL. And you can get yourself a caulking gun too. I'll even put links to a caulking gun. So what you're going to do is load your PL tube in your caulking gun, and on the nozzle you're going to cut the end off. Oh, just off near the end. This one's far back now, but yeah, you just want to cut the end off. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some PL to this tile. We'll put a little bit in each corner and some right here in the middle. And then we'll just wipe that off and pull back on this part of your caulking gun. It stops, well, it slows down the PL or whatever you have in your tube to come out. But definitely put an end over it like this. Okay. And seeing we didn't need to clean any of this up, none of it's cracked, it's pretty good shape. We're going to spread this around. Take a scraper like this. Every household should have one of these. It's like a scraper, pry bar. You can take nails out with it. Great tool to have around the house. And we're just going to spread this around so that it doesn't sit up high in one spot or the other, because this stuff dries hard and I don't want to push down on it too hard. So there we go. Now we can clean off our scraper, because this stuff, when it gets hard, it's not coming off that easy. Okay, now we're just going to grab our tile, turn it around, and make sure we'll put it on like this. Put it in place. Get it centered properly. Pat it down good, make sure it's in a good spot, make sure your grout lines here are spaced properly. Now, we're not going to worry about putting more grout in here. Not right now, because I've said this before, this is just a temporary flooring because it's old. I'm going to replace it. I said that like 3 years ago, and I still haven't replaced this floor. Well, you know what? I have other things to do. So this will hold. I already replaced, I think it was these two tiles, and they're still hard as can be. They're not moving. So now we just had another tile to fix, that's all. So basically, that's how easy it is to fix a loose floor tile, especially with PL Construction Adhesive. You will love this stuff. You'll never live without it again. I always say PL is your best friend. And here's a bonus tip for you. After you use your caulking tube or your PL, grab an old screw, put it here at the end, like that. That'll dry in there. And then when you want to use your PL adhesive again, all you have to do is grab a big pair of pliers like this and pull hard and it'll come out. Otherwise, if you don't put the screw in, the PL is all going to get hard in there. You'll have a hard time getting it out. Then you'll end up having to trim it way back to here, and that's no good. Just a little added bonus there for you. I'm going to be starting a new video series where I teach beginners how to do things themselves, do home repairs, DIY, that sort of thing. You know, there's a lot of people out there that don't have the confidence or the tools to try to do things themselves. And it's getting way too expensive to hire someone to do things anymore, especially when you can do it yourself. So I'm going to be creating a new video series helping you boost your confidence so that you can do repairs yourself. I'm going to be showing you basic home repair tools that you can get for your home. And best of all, it's going to save you money. By the way, my name is Roland. This is Getting It Done Budget Home Repairs. Be sure to subscribe. Don't miss that series. It's brand new. I'm going to be starting it right away this week. I'll be adding this video into that series, and I know it's going to benefit a lot of people. So thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and we'll see you on the next video.